Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Hello, welcome to the Crafty Corner, everyone. So I am just doing these little box concepts, shopping my stash, y'all, shopping my stash. So I have these coin purses and the bath body washes. I also put a bath bomb down in this little bucket here with our Easter eggs. And then I also had some little dolls that I did this one with. These are the Hairtastic dolls that have the long flowy hair. And I also had baby doll clothes for these types of dolls. So I decided in this one I would put the body wash, the coin purse, sidewalk chalk. We have our Easter eggs in there. And this one is layered with candy and shred, as well as our little paper at the bottom. So these are the Hair Amazing dolls. And as you can see, they come in a swimsuit. So I included one of the little ballroom gown dresses that I bought that fit these dolls as well. And I put that down in the basket with the baby doll. With sidewalk chalk, our Easter eggs. We have some bubbles in there, as well as other candy. And I think these two concepts came out really cute. And these are what the hair amazing dolls look like. There's that one with the blonde hair. And of course I have this one. She has the long black hair. And I have another pink one, I believe. So I will be using some of these little boxes for those 4 little dolls there and making those concepts. I think that these 2 little baskets have turned out cute. I also have some more of those coin purses that I will make a couple of more of those types of baskets as well with the body wash and the bath bombs. These little coin purses I got at Dollar General for a penny. And every time I would go in Dollar General for probably about a week and a half, I would find more of these little change purses, like they were just kind of scattered all over the store. So when I see them, I would put them in my basket because I knew that those were a penny. They are not a penny right now, but Dollar General always has an abundance of these little change purses, and they're just really cute. So please tell me what you think about these 2 concepts down in the comments. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you are not a member of the Crafty Creators Club, please consider joining my clubs. I will have welcome packages going out real soon. And I thank you all for the support that you do give me, and the encouragement and uplifting, and those of you that comment on my baskets and give me that little boost that I need every now and then, that we all need sometimes, just to know that we're doing a good job. I thank you all for everything that you do, and hope that you are blessed. But most importantly, y'all, be a blessing. Hi everybody, it's Katrina.